Here's how to scrape Instagram comments with no coded knowledge. For this, we'll need the Instagram scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on comments of a post. As you can see, we extracted this post comments. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now, press on the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you can find all the data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now press on customize. Then press on comments of a post. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can find more features in the add-on section. Now, to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.